Welcome to Notre Dame Law School. I'm John. I'm the first of several Notre Dame students you're going to meet today and who will show you around this building. We're going to start here in the Mccartan courtroom. This room is really the coolest room we have in the law school. Compared to most of the time you spend at law school, which is really going to be in the library, the stuff you get to do in this room is really a lot of fun. 2 trial advocacy classes meet in here, 3 moot court teams practice in this room, and normal classes are held here as well. What's so unique about this room is that the walls actually slide in, cut off the judge and witness chairs, and turn this place into a regular classroom. For example, I had evidence in here, and that was just conducted as your normal law school class, with the professor standing up front lecturing to the students. But occasionally, we would actually open up those walls. Students would be selected to come down, sit in the chairs, and serve as judges, and other students would get up, stand in front of the class, and argue out the federal rules of evidence. That non-traditional way to teach the rules really helped me to understand evidence and illustrates just how special this room is.
And Lieutenant Charlie Goff, he's a 2009 Notre Dame Law School grad.
My name is Patrick, and this is one of our larger lecture-style classrooms. This is going to be the classroom where you're going to have your first main courses as a 1L. This is where you're really going to get your first trial by fire into legal thought, into legal education. And this is where you'll probably have your first Socratic method. But it's nice in a classroom like this because there's a lot of people, so that lessens the chance that you're going to get called that day, which really makes you feel a little bit better those first couple weeks. This classroom is great with technology. Everything's in sync. The professor can incorporate web videos or documents into the lectures because we have a great projector and a big old screen for everyone to see. Additionally, there are outlets for your laptops. And as you can see, this is a really nice big space. There are windows for natural light, which might be the only natural light you get for a couple weeks at a time that first year, so it's nice for that when you're spending so much time in a classroom like this. These rooms are going to be used also for lunchtime talks, so almost every day there's going to be several talks in a room similar to this, whether it's a constitutional law scholar or a judge who's telling you, how to interview for a clerkship or something like that. These rooms are really utilized for a lot of things all day long. Not all of your learning is done in the classroom. In a skills training room, you're going to develop skills that you're going to use in practice aside from your core classes. Things like how to depose a client or how to make an oral argument or write a brief. This is a great opportunity to use the faculty we have here, the people who have written briefs in real life and made oral arguments or depositions, and have opportunity to meet with them one-on-one or with a smaller group of students and learn those skills. You might be spending a little bit more time in here than you want to, but it's nice to have a facility where you can have that one-on-one interaction with the great faculty we have here.
Hi, I'm Shari. I am a third-year law student here at Notre Dame, and this is my Carol. I was actually assigned my Carol because I am a member of the Journal of Legislation, and Carols are assigned at the beginning of the school year, and it's your space for the year. Carols are also assigned for people that are research assistants, and actually people that are on the other journals, and for master's LLM students. I really like my space because I can do what I want with it. I mean, there's a bunch of Post-its here that really probably have gibberish all over them, but I also have this awesome view of the reading room, which is great, in the winter because there's lots of natural light, but horrible in the spring when it's beautiful and you don't want to be in the library. But this is just one type of Carol. There are tons of different types all spread throughout the library, and they all offer a different atmosphere for studying. But definitely it's your space, make it your own, and you can leave your books here, whatever you need to do, and just kind of make it your home.
Hi, my name is Sarah. Welcome to the Law School Library. We're here at the circulation desk where you can come to have any of your questions answered about the library, or if you need to find something specific in the library. We also have our research librarians who are more than willing to help you with any research question you have throughout your time here, from first year research class to all the way through your third year. Also, you'll have one of the librarians as a professor your first year in legal research. And your first assignment is actually going to be right here in the library as you go on a scavenger hunt to just familiarize yourself with the different areas of the law library. For studying, we have space available no matter what type of study style you have. We have oversized, comfy chairs that you can kind of kick back and get comfortable. And then we have big desks that you can spread out all of your books and get to work. We also have group study rooms that you can rent out. So if you have a study session going on, you can rent one of those rooms, and it's very convenient. If you aren't the type of person who wants to study in a library, we also have everything available in the library online, so you can go to your favorite coffee shop or study in your room.
Hi, I'm Ana Paola, and this is The Commons, the social hotspot of the law school. Great food, great friends, and just great things all around. A lot of the clubs like to come here and set up shop and show the student body what the law school has to offer. It's a great place to hang out, and one of the things that really distinguishes Notre Dame is its friendly student body and its open environment. This is definitely my favorite place to come at the end of the day and wind down, and I'd have to say it's definitely the heart of the law school.